Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Allotment Family Diary.
And today we're going to be making a rustic tomato soup because have you seen how many tomatoes we have got here?
Millions.
Okay, so for the rustic tomato soup that we'll be making, I will need lots of tomatoes. So we've got three types here. We've got the beef, we've got the little cherry tomatoes and Gardener's Delight. A bit of garlic is always good. Stock cube, water. I'm going to pick some herbs, I think basil, and I know that we've got some other ingredients that we might use. So a red pepper would go nice with this. And I think Tilly has got some red onions, so that will go very well. A rustic soup. Why rustic? Well, there's no electricity up here, so I can't blend it, so that's why it's going to be rustic. Why is it tasty? Because it's all freshly picked from the allotment and straight into the pan. Before I go and harvest the other ingredients, I'm going to put the water on to boil because it will take a while. So I've got a nice big pan here, and I'm just going to fill it up. I've got so many tomatoes, so I'm going to do it about here. Let's chop some ingredients. Look at that beautiful pepper. The Thor F1 pepper, and it's very sweet tasting. I'm going to fry the onion, the garlic in some olive oil, pepper and salt. Next I'm going to add the stock cube. You can use any type. This one's chicken. You can use vegetable stock. So now I'm going to add the fried onion, garlic and red pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to add the beef tomato and the Gardener's Delight and the basil in. Now I'm going to just add these in whole, but they'll be softened up while they're being cooked. this boil now, so it will soften and condense down the tomatoes and be a lovely rustic soup. I mean, it's looking pretty rustic now. And then to serve, a bit more salt and pepper. Well, soup's ready. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes.
Wow, look at that. That looks so tasty. Is it yummy?
It is yummy.
I've not tried it yet. Let's give it a go. You can taste the difference with the pepper and the onions being fried first of all in the pan. Yeah, and you can taste like all the different flavors of the tomatoes coming through. Really nice. Might be nice with like a chili chopped into it. But not our chilies because they're super hot. But yeah, really nice. Yeah, well done. That's yummy. I'm getting towards that.
Nice rustic on the plot dinner.
Yeah. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. And please do drop it a like if you have liked us cooking away, well, hand cooking away. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not subscribe to the channel? And leave a comment, because we love reading your comments too. Anyway, we're going to finish this. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.